Ooh, you probably thought it was Bad Girl Riri. Well, you're wrong. It's me. I just woke up. So I thought, what better thing to do than continue to talk to you guys, because it's not like I haven't seen you in like less than 24 hours. I could be wrong, but I don't think so. What I thought I could do, play some good music, talk to you guys, vibe, whatever the hell you want to call it. Let's see what we should play. I need to change my battery. I'll start it over. I'll let you guys enjoy it too.
Walking downtown and I'm okay. He's got it all figured out. That's what they all say, yeah. Everyone's looking at me thinking that I'm different. Everyone's looking at me thinking that I'm living. But I don't really care what they all say. It's easier said than done. That guy trying to live through life, but it all comes down to you. You are my anxiety.
Sorry, I needed something different.
Unconditional fake love, that what they show me. I've been grinding perfect timing on my rollie. EA Sports, I'm in the game ballin' like Kobe. In the trenches, rockin' out with my little whoa. Rocker like a rock star with no guitar. I be fucking all that bad bras, all these pop stars. Cruising on the interstate in a fast car. Pretty well, cat, scat, pet this.
I don't like this side compared to this side.
Sit in my sleep like, wake up off the wake up like, please don't look at me different. You got your hand up, but I don't even owe you.
Sorry.
I was just on the stage and you touching on me, girl, I don't even know you. Say I got her hand up, remember she was there, I was way out before you. Now it's back to you niggas be talking that shit, how you try for a nigga that whore you. All of that shit I just said was not plural, I'ma just give you the more room. Most of you niggas is bitches is on you, I'ma just let them enjoy you. Why you telling them lies and telling them stories that don't really make no sense? I be in traffic with the traffic, we can take a little trip. Baby, I'm the same one.
So I use these shades. I use this guy and then black in the corner.
But she hitting plays too. And the agent got my phone like, what we eating today? I don't.
We'll change it.
You and I, do you remember things you eating turkey? For Christmas, I surprised you, made you nervous. Like, this nigga a keeper and I know it. Then you fucked up with a nigga, how you glorious. Proportion, you ain't next, plain shit. Singing P&B, I'm on some next, plain shit. And you fucked it all up and now you can't change shit. So next time you call my phone, better be Easter. What about St. Patty? So don't call me daddy. Do a drop off in the morning in your favorite caddy. How you tell me that you love me but you can't show it? Smoking, you don't smoke, you watching me blow it. Thoughts are going, praying, letting God know it. The next time you call my phone, better be Easter. Used to ask me where I'm at, I'm on my way. Wow, hey, hey, yeah, it's round that time, don't celebrate. Wow, hey, hey, do you remember you and I on holidays? Wow, hey, hey, do you remember you and I on holidays? Wow, hey, hey. Wow, hey, hey. Wow, hey, listen to me, listen to me. Hey, do you remember you and I? You and I. Do you remember you and I? You and I, you and I, you and I, you and I. Hey, I just wanted to do that again. That was hard. I be killing shit. Loving me for so long, but what if I did you wrong? Like stop talking to you and everybody around you fucking too. Looking in my phone, I wonder why it's always never you. Coming around always bitching. Why do you act so distant? Like you don't wanna be around, see I ain't forcing you. And I still wear you out, it's like I'm sporting you. Don't wanna leave you alone, it's like you cursing me. Telling me how to dress, it's like you churching me. So why do I think of you and me? You and me. Why do I think of you and me? You and me. Even when we together, you and me, it feel better. Loving me for so long, but what if I did you wrong? Like last night, thought about me rubbing you down. Then before that, thought of us, you wasn't around. On them cold days, I was out, I wasn't your love. But you said there was a W with your homegirls at the club, I still remember. If you don't know the shit, you ain't no member.
It's more than a feeling. You were never meant for me. But now I gotta keep it. Walking downtown and I'm